Good afternoon. Welcome everyone to another episode of Should You Take That Case? And as always, the goal of our show is to be a resource for legal professionals who pursue medical cases by sharing our experiences and insights as defense or plaintiff attorneys. And I am your host, Lisa Wade, legal nurse consultant and owner of Wade Nurse Consultants. I'm also the creator of the Attorney Medical Record Resource Group. That's our private LinkedIn community where we get all of our wonderful attorney guests that we interview. And this is always an opportunity to get to know one another, other people in the group. And our plan was to do that today with Brewster Rawls from Virginia. However, Brewster was unable to attend today. So we're going to march on through with a legal nurse consultant question and answer opportunity. So, get your questions ready for me, your friendly neighborhood legal nurse consultant. We can answer all of those questions, those burning questions about what is a legal nurse consultant? What kind of things do they do? How can they be a help to me as a personal injury, malpractice, disability, workers' comp attorney? You're going to have the opportunity to ask me all of those questions today. So get them together and get ready to put them into our chat or our comments box. And let's run over to our quickly to our chat and our comments and see if anybody is out there viewing us live today. If you are a new viewer to our show, put an in that comment box for a newbie. If you are a veteran viewer, you've seen us many times, put a V in that box and give us a chance to say hello. And put a W in that box if you are part of Women Owned Law, that groundbreaking group that is created to connect and advance women legal entrepreneurs. Put a W in there. I'd love to see you and know you're out there supporting me today. It would be truly appreciated. And while we are while you're getting those questions together about, any legal nurse questions, I'm going to give you a little sponsor break, commercial break about what happens here at Wade Nurse Consultants. Well, first, everyone is not always completely clear about legal nurse consultants and what we do. So I'm going to make that clear today. At Wade Nurse Consultants, it's all about review, research, and roadmaps. When we review medical records, we summarize and translate that information into human or layman's language that's easily understood by judges and juries. When we research, we complete medical literature searches regarding topics attorneys may not be completely familiar with or may just need a little more in depth details to convey complex concepts to judges and juries. And when we create roadmaps for injured clients, we do that in the form of creating life care plans, which detail their future medical needs over their lifetimes, including estimated costs of that care. And to recap, Legal Nurse Consultants at Wade Nurse Consultants is all about review, research, and roadmaps. Now is the time for you to schedule a 15-minute medical case strategy call, and you can do that by clicking the calendar link that you find in the description box and the comment box of this YouTube channel so we can get a chance to chat. Now, back over to our legal nurse consultant question and answer period. Let's check the comments and see what questions we have. And we don't have any right this minute. No live questions at the moment, but you can also reach out to me if you're catching the replay by putting a question in the comments box, or you can always email me, Lisa at wadenurseconsultants.com. And I am free to answer any of the questions that come to mind about what do legal nurse consultants do. Let me check one more time for questions. And still no questions. But what I'd like to do is make sure that I remind you to like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Turn on your notifications so you can know exactly when we are coming on next and get that alert. And it looks like we're going to be ending up a little bit early today. So just make sure you like and subscribe. Get ready to watch us again next week, Monday, 5:15 Eastern Standard Time, so you can see another episode of Should You Take That Case. Thanks for joining us today.